Hello everyone and welcome back to JewelSteps. Today, we'll learn how to create a sale invoice directly from the mobile application. It's a quick and seamless process. So, let's get started. First, log into the JewelSteps Mobile App. Once logged in, navigate to Transactions and select Sale Invoice from the menu. Here, start by selecting the customer name. If you have the barcode number, simply enter it here. The system will automatically fetch all related data from the barcode. If needed, you can update product details like the rate. For example, let's change the rate to 300 dirhams. The system instantly calculates the new total. In this case, the updated amount is 3,227.18. Now, let's add the payment details. If the customer is paying in cash, select cash and enter the amount. For instance, if they pay 3,000 dirhams, the system will automatically show the balance amount as 227.18. You can also add comments for any specific instructions or notes. Once everything looks good, click on Save. After saving, you can immediately share the invoice with the customer through WhatsApp or print it using a connected printer. The same invoice is available on the web portal under the bill number SB1. When you open it, all the details are exactly as entered on the mobile app. You can also print the invoice directly from your computer. And that's it. Creating a sale invoice using the JewelSteps mobile app is fast, easy, and convenient. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.